Hello everyone, myself Adhikari and welcome to our YouTube channel Adhikari Craft World. So today I'm going to tell you how you can easily make watercolor background. So for this we need sketch colors, water, brush, paper and yes, polythene also. Okay, let's start. You can use any color. Now we have to put some water on the paper. And now place polythene on top of the water and rub it lightly. After that, remove the polythene. Our watercolor background is ready. Hope you liked the video. If you are new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.